Cut precise mortises effortlessly with the Virutex FC116U lock mortiser. Designed for heavy-duty use, it creates accurate slots in wood, MDF, and composite materials. The powerful motor ensures smooth, controlled cutting with minimal effort. Adjustable guides make positioning simple for perfect alignment. Ideal for door locks, hinges, and structural joints, this tool is a game-changer. Lightweight yet robust, it's easy to transport to job sites. Save time while achieving unmatched precision. A must-have for serious woodworkers. The DCK KMQ85S jigsaw makes intricate cuts with absolute precision. Featuring a powerful 5.0 ampere motor, it glides through wood, metal, and plastics with ease. The top handle design offers supreme control and comfort. Its variable speed trigger ensures smooth, customized cuts for any project. The tool-free blade change system makes switching blades effortless. Whether straight or curved, it delivers clean, sharp results. With a built-in LED light, visibility is never an issue. Elevate your craftsmanship with this powerhouse jigsaw. Compact yet powerful, the Sacker Mini multifunctional table saw is a space-saving marvel. Designed for precision, it's perfect for cutting wood, plastic, and even soft metals. The adjustable fence ensures accurate, repeatable cuts. A high-speed motor guarantees clean and efficient slicing. The sturdy base keeps vibrations to a minimum for stable operation. Easy to transport, it's ideal for small workshops or on-the-go jobs. Safety features ensure worry-free use for all skill levels. Experience top-tier performance in a compact design. Get perfectly flat and smooth boards with the ShopFox W1876 Benchtop joiner. The spiral-style Cutterhead reduces tear out, leaving a flawless surface. Compact yet powerful, it's great for home workshops and professional settings. The cast-iron table ensures stability and precision. Adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables allow for customized depth control. A built-in dust port keeps workspaces clean and efficient, ideal for edge jointing and surface planing. Elevate your woodworking game with this reliable jointer. For professional-grade hole drilling, the MBS Pro 2.0 delivers outstanding accuracy. Equipped with a Forstner drill bit, it creates clean, precise holes in wood and composites. The adjustable depth stop ensures consistency in every cut. Built with high-quality materials, it withstands heavy use in demanding projects. The ergonomic design provides superior control and comfort. Whether for cabinetry or furniture making, this tool is a must-have. Say goodbye to splintered holes and uneven drilling. Upgrade your toolbox with this precision marvel. Achieve smooth, professional finishes with the Grizzly 18-inch open-end drum sander. Powered by a 2 HP motor, it sands large surfaces with ease. The variable speed control adapts to different materials, ensuring optimal results. Its open-end design allows sanding of wider boards in multiple passes. The precision conveyor belt provides consistent material feed. A powerful dust collection port keeps work areas clean. Perfect for furniture making and high-end woodworking. Get flawless surfaces with minimal effort. Maximize pallet production efficiency with the Stackma palletmax 4500. Designed for high output performance, this machine assembles pallets with precision and speed. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability even in demanding industrial environments. The user-friendly interface makes operation simple for all skill levels. With adjustable settings, it accommodates different pallet sizes with ease, reduce manual labor while increasing productivity and accuracy. Whether for small businesses or large-scale production, this tool is a game-changer. Take your pallet-making process to the next level. Achieve ultra-precise depth cuts with the Woodpecker's router plane. Perfect for cleaning up tenons, dados, and grooves. This tool delivers controlled, clean cuts every time. Its large, comfortable handles ensure a steady grip for fine-tuned adjustments. The precision-milled base glides smoothly over surfaces for consistent results. Built with high-quality materials, it withstands rigorous use in detailed woodworking projects. Easy blade adjustments allow for quick depth modifications. Whether you're a professional or a passionate craftsman, this router plane is a game-changer. Precision has never been this effortless. Precision is key in woodworking, and the Veritus Dovetail Guide and Saw Set ensures flawless dovetail joints every time. The magnetic guide keeps your saw aligned at the perfect angle, making even beginners look like pros. With its Japanese-style saw and durable anodized aluminum guide, you get ultra-clean cuts with minimal effort. Whether you're crafting furniture or fine joinery, this tool makes the process seamless. Say goodbye to wobbly cuts and hello to to perfect dovetails in minutes. If you're serious about woodworking, this set is a game changer. Get your projects looking professional with ease. A solid grip means better precision, and the Veritus Holddown is built for just that. Designed for ultimate clamping strength, it locks your workpiece firmly in place on any workbench. The cam lever mechanism provides quick and secure adjustments, saving you time and effort. Whether you're planing, chiseling, or sanding, this tool keeps everything steady. Its solid steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a must-have for any workshop. No more slipping or shifting, just a rock-solid hold for perfect results. Make your workflow smooth and hassle-free with this powerful hold-down. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Looking for a versatile plane that handles rebating like a pro? Xminster Duplex Rebate Plane is your answer. Built with precision and durability in mind, this tool delivers smooth and accurate cuts. The adjustable fence and two-position blade make it perfect for deep rebates and fine trimming. Its cast iron body ensures stability, reducing chatter for a flawless finish. Whether you're working on doors, panels, or custom joinery, this plane gives you total control. Say goodbye to uneven edges and hello to precision woodworking. Elevate your craftsmanship with this powerhouse tool. Support your projects like a pro with UJK Saw Horses. Lightweight, sturdy, and ultra-reliable. These saw horses offer unbeatable stability for cutting, assembling, or finishing tasks. Built with heavy-duty materials, they hold substantial weight without flexing. The folding design makes storage a breeze, perfect for workshops with limited space. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, these saw horses provide a solid foundation. No more wobbling or makeshift stands, just pure, reliable support. Set them up in seconds and get to work with confidence. Your workspace just got a serious upgrade. Take your workspace to the next level with the UJK Fusion Workbench, built for serious makers. Featuring a rock-solid frame and a precision-machined surface, this workbench is perfect for detailed projects. Its customizable clamping system keeps materials secure, letting you work with maximum accuracy. The integrated storage keeps your essential tools within reach, reducing downtime. Whether you're cutting, drilling, or assembling, this workbench adapts to your needs. Stability and versatility make it an essential upgrade for any workshop. Transform the way you work with this ultimate workbench solution. Unleash your inner craftsman with the Workpro Mini Grinder Set, a compact powerhouse packed with versatility. This all-in-one kit is perfect for sanding, grinding, polishing, engraving, and more, all powered by a sleek, high-speed rotary tool. With 201 accessories, you'll never run out of ways to cut, carve, or shape your next project. The variable speed control lets you tackle delicate details or rugged surfaces with precision. Compact yet durable, it's designed for comfort during long sessions. Great for hobbyists, repair pros, and makers who crave flexibility. When creativity strikes, this set is always ready. Say goodbye to tangled chaos with Rockler magnetic cord keepers, the simplest way to tame your tool cords instantly. These smart clips use strong magnets to cling to metal surfaces like tool carts, benches, or drill presses. The flexible loop design holds cords neatly in place, keeping your workspace organized and safe. No more tripping hazards or wasted time untangling. Just snap, store, and keep your flow going. Built tough to last through rough shop use, yet light enough for fast repositioning. Small tool, big difference. It's the cord control solution you didn't know you needed. Trimming branches and cutting wood has never been easier with the GTA26 Cordless Pruner. Lightweight yet powerful, this compact chainsaw tackles small logs, pruning, and garden maintenance effortlessly. With a high-performance chain and tool-free tensioning system, it's easy to maintain and use. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during long tasks. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers cordless convenience without compromising power. Whether you're tidying up the backyard or prepping firewood, this tool is a game changer. Say goodbye to bulky saws and hello to effortless cutting. Splitting logs just got easier with the Timber Ox Summit Log Splitter. Built for efficiency and power, this compact but mighty tool harnesses leverage to split logs effortlessly, reducing strain on your arms. The solid steel construction ensures durability, making it perfect for regular use. Whether you need firewood for the winter or prepping timber for projects, this splitter delivers consistent results. No more struggling with an axe. Get cleaner, faster splits with minimal effort. It's the ultimate solution for anyone working with logs. Power up your workflow with this must-have splitter. Handle heavy logs with ease using the Logox 3-in-1 Forestry Multi-Tool, your ultimate logging companion. This innovative tool combines a log lifter, cant hook, and timberjack in one lightweight design. Lift, roll, and position logs effortlessly, reducing strain and improving efficiency. The ergonomic grip and rugged build make it a must-have for forestry work. Whether you're clearing land or prepping firewood, this multi-tool saves time and energy. No more struggling with awkward log handling. Get the job done smarter and safer. Elevate your logging game with this all-in-one tool. Smooth out rough surfaces effortlessly with the Dongcheng 500-watt electric planer. This powerhouse shaves wood down to perfection with its sharp blades and powerful motor. Whether you're trimming doors or refining boards, it delivers a flawless finish every time. Lightweight and easy to handle, it ensures comfort even during long hours of use. The dust collection system keeps your workspace clean and efficient. Adjustable depth control offers precision for every cut. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, this planer is a must-have. Get ready for seamless, high-quality woodwork. Need rock-solid fastening? Tapcon concrete anchor screws deliver unshakable grip in concrete, brick, and block. The Star Torx head prevents cam-out, ensuring effortless driving without stripping. Designed for ultimate durability, these screws resist corrosion and hold firm in demanding environments. The innovative thread design bites deep for maximum stability. Installation is quick, requiring minimal pre-drilling. Whether for construction or home improvement, these anchors get the job done. Say goodbye to weak fastenings and hello to lasting strength. For precision miter cuts, the MTRXL2 with micro adjuster is your ultimate companion. This advanced miter gauge ensures razor-sharp angles with ease. The micro adjuster fine-tunes cuts down to the last fraction of a degree. Featuring a durable aluminum body, it stands up to heavy-duty use. The laser-cut scales guarantee accuracy for every setup. Perfect for furniture making and detailed woodworking projects. Get clean, accurate cuts every single time. No more guesswork, just perfection. Sanding made easy with the DeWalt 20-volt Max Orbital Sander. This cordless beast delivers smooth, swirl-free finishes on wood, metal, and plastics. The variable speed control adapts to different materials for precise sanding. Its brushless motor ensures long runtime and maximum efficiency. A rubber grip offers comfort and reduces fatigue. The dust-sealed switch keeps debris out for a longer tool life. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. Get professional quality results without the hassle of cords. Achieve seamless flush cuts with the Rockler Flush Cutting Router Jig. Precision at its finest. This jig ensures perfect alignment for trimming edges, veneers, and inlays with ease. The durable construction and smooth guide system keep your cuts flawless every time. Compatible with most routers, it's a versatile addition to any workshop. No more rough edges or uneven finishes, just professional quality results. Whether you're crafting furniture or finishing cabinets, this jig makes the job effortless. Say goodbye to sanding down mistakes and hello to precision cutting. Your woodworking projects just got a whole lot cleaner. Drill with pinpoint accuracy using the Rockler self-centering drill vise. No more off-center holes. This vise automatically aligns your workpiece, making drilling fast and precise. The heavy-duty construction keeps everything stable, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Ideal for doweling, hardware installation, and precision woodworking, it's a game-changer for accurate drilling. The quick-release mechanism makes setup a breeze, saving you valuable time. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this vise is a must-have for any workshop. Get perfect holes every time and take your craftsmanship to the next level. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.